Calculation for strong acid and strong base. There are 4 formulas that you need to memorize in order to answer the question. The first one is pH is equal to negative log concentration H plus, POH is equal to negative log concentration OH minus, Kw is equal to concentration H plus times concentration OH minus, and the value for Kw is 1 times 10 power of negative 14. And the last one is pH plus POH is equal to 14. In order to answer the question about acid and base, first step, you must identify the type of acid and base. Kita perlu kenal pasti jenis acid dan base yang diberi. If the question gave you weak acid or weak base, so you must write the ice table to answer the question. Kalau soalan bagi weak acid ataupun weak base, kita perlu buat ice table untuk jawab soalan. If the question gave you strong acid or strong base, you don't have to write the ice table to answer the question. Kalau soalan bagi strong acid ataupun strong base, tak perlu buat ice table untuk jawab soalan. Example 1. Calculate the pH of 0.25 molar HBr. First of all, we must identify HBr ni apa. So according to what we have learned, HBr is a strong acid. So kalau diberi strong acid, kita tak perlu buat ice table untuk jawab soalan. Untuk menjawab soalan ni, kita akan mulakan dengan menulis dissociation equation untuk HBr. Kita dah belajar dah sebelum ni cara menulis dissociation equation. So ingat, untuk strong acid ataupun strong base, pastikan kita guna arrow biasa. Pastikan setiap satu substance ni mesti ada phase dan pastikan equation ini mestilah balance. HBr is a strong acid, so it will dissociate completely to form its ion. So if we have 0.25 molar HBr, we will have 0.25 molar H plus and 0.25 molar Br minus. So now we already know that concentration of H plus is 0.25 molar. So we just substitute the value for H plus into the formula of pH, which is negative log concentration H plus. Substitute the value and the pH is 0.60. pH don't have any unit. Example 2. Calculate the pH of 0.20 molar H2SO4. So first of all, kita kena identify H2SO4 ni apa. So according to what we have learned, H2SO4 is a strong acid. So we don't have to write the ice table to answer this question. Jawapan kita akan bermula dengan dissociation equation of H2SO4. Pastikan semua ada phase dan pastikan equation ni balance. Letak 2 dekat H plus ni. H2SO4 is a strong acid, so it will dissociate completely. So H2SO4 kita ada sebanyak 0.20 molar. So H plus yang terhasil adalah 0.20 molar times with 2. Kenapa times with 2? Sebab kita ada 2 mol H plus. KSO4 tu minus pula banyak mana? So dia hanyalah 0.20 molar. Tak perlu darah apa-apa sebab koefisien dia 1. So the concentration of H plus is 0.20 times 2, which is 0.40 molar. So bila dah dapat concentration H plus, kita masukkan dalam formula pH is equal to negative log concentration H plus. Substitute the value, so the pH is 0.40. Example 3. Calculate the pH of 0.0011 molar calcium hydroxide. So first of all, kita identify dulu calcium hydroxide ni apa. So according to what we have learned, calcium hydroxide is a strong base. So we don't have to write ice table to answer this question. To answer this question, we have two methods. So we go to the first method. So first of all, kita akan mulakan dengan dissociation equation untuk calcium hydroxide. Pastikan ada phase dan equation ni mesti balance. Calcium hydroxide is a strong base, so it will dissociate completely to form its ion. So kita ada 0.0011 molar of calcium hydroxide. So Ca2 plus yang terhasil pun 0.0011 molar. Untuk OH minus, kita akan dapati dia adalah 0.0011 molar times with 2. Kenapa kita darab 2? Sebab dia ada 2 mol OH minus. So, the concentration of OH minus is 0.0011 times 2, which is 0.0022 molar. So, concentration of OH minus ni, kita substitute dalam formula POH is equal to negative log concentration OH minus. So, the POH is 2.66. Ni baru dapat POH, soalan nak pH. So, ingat tak kita ada formula pH plus POH is equal to 14. So, kita substitute value POH di sini. So, kita dapati pH is 11.34. Now, we go to the second method. The first one sama juga, write dissociation equation. Lepas tu, calculate the concentration of OH minus. Dalam method 1, concentration of OH minus ni kita masukkan dalam formula POH. Tapi dalam method 2, concentration OH minus kita masukkan dalam formula KW. KW is equal to concentration H plus times concentration OH minus. So, nilai KW kita dah tahu iaitu 1 darab 10 kuasa negatif 14. Concentration OH minus adalah 0.0022. So, kita masukkan dalam formula. So, kita dapati concentration H plus adalah 4.55 times 10 power of negative 12. So, bila kita dapat concentration H plus, teruslah kita masukkan dalam formula pH is equal to negative log concentration H plus. So, kita dapati pH-nya adalah 11.34. Thank you for watching.